India, a vibrant democracy in South Asia, stands as the world's seventh largest country by landmass and the most populous nation. Home to over 1.3 billion people, India's population is a remarkable testament to its enduring allure. The nation encompasses a staggering diversity of ethnicities, languages and religions, creating a vibrant tapestry of human experience. India's story is one of ancient civilizations, colonial struggles and a remarkable rise to prominence on the global stage. India's sheer size and population density present unique challenges and opportunities. The country grapples with issues of poverty, inequality and environmental sustainability. Yet amidst these challenges, India displays remarkable resilience and an unwavering spirit of progress. Its dynamic economy, driven by technology and innovation, has propelled it to become a major player in the global arena. India's geographical diversity is equally impressive, ranging from the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the tropical shores of the Indian Ocean in the south. The fertile plains of the Ganges River, the lifeblood of northern India, have nurtured civilizations for millennia. The Thar Desert in the west presents a stark contrast with its arid landscapes and unique ecosystems. The Western Ghats, a mountain range running parallel to the western coast, are home to a biodiversity hotspot. India's coastal regions, stretching over 7,500 kilometers, boast stunning beaches, vibrant port cities, and a rich maritime heritage. These diverse landscapes have shaped not only India's history, but also its cultural and economic development. India's history spans millennia, marked by the rise and fall of empires, the flourishing of ancient civilizations, and the impact of colonial rule. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, thrived in the northwestern regions of the subcontinent over 4,000 years ago. The Mauryan Empire under Emperor Ashoka unified much of the Indian subcontinent in the 3rd century BCE. The Mughal Empire, founded in the 16th century, left an indelible mark on India's art, architecture and culture. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the Mughals' architectural prowess. British colonial rule, which began in the 18th century, had a profound impact on India's political, economic and social fabric. India's cultural diversity is perhaps its most defining characteristic. With 22 officially recognized languages and thousands of dialects, India is a linguistic mosaic. Hindi, the most widely spoken language, and English, a legacy of British colonialism, serve as the primary languages of communication. The country is home to major world religions, including Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. This religious pluralism is reflected in India's festivals, traditions, and social customs. From the vibrant colors of Holi to the joyous celebrations of Diwali, India's festivals offer a glimpse into its rich cultural tapestry. Indian cuisine, renowned for its diverse flavors and regional variations, is a testament to the country's culinary heritage.